All right, guys. So October 29th, live group coaching call number 8. A lot of people joined last week. Unfortunately, I messed up the time zones in the school calendar. So that's a note to myself. I'm in Bali right now. And as you can see, it's always set on 12 p.m. GMT. But yeah, I just changed it to the right time zone. So hopefully some more people come in. But for today, I did ask some questions in school for people who could not attend right here. So I'm just going to walk through the slides and then look at what people have been asking here and walk through all these. So that's it going to be today. So on the schedule, this is our 8th call. We've been live with this group for 2 months. It's pretty cool. And we have we have almost 100 members right now. So that's pretty cool in 2 months. It's been pretty quick. Unfortunately, it doesn't show on the live call right now because, of course, I messed up the time zones. Anyway, so what we're going to do today is first go through some motivation and member wins that people have been posting in the group. Then I want to do some progress talk with the current members and the old members. Unfortunately, not a lot of people are on this call today, which is my fault again. And we can do a little Q&A of what people have been asking. Channel reviews is needed. And then I have some discussions and some questions I asked in the group too. All right, let's see if someone here. No people. I'm just going quickly. I'm going to see if some people are joining in. All right. So first of all, Michael, you are in this chat, and this is one of the results you've gotten last month. So Michael did over $3,000 with his channel in one single month and the first month of being monetized. Michael worked pretty long on getting this monetized, and then his videos blew up. And that goes to show that if you just stick in the game long enough, try enough, upload enough videos, at one point, one video can literally change everything for you. And then you can make over $3,000 in your first month. Here's some motivation Vlad posted about persistence too. He said he failed 2 or 3 channels already, took a long pause to recover, and then started again with quality in mind. He started making videos himself with higher quality. Let's see, taking it slow by step to be easier. I had $1 and 2 videos, $10 in a week, and now going double, grinding for $20. So nothing too crazy yet, but if you stick to it long enough, you will start seeing some results. Here's another one from Tuck. He only uploaded 8 videos and earned over $100 in his first month also. And of course, he got monetized in his first month too with those 8 videos. So if you pick a right niche, it can go really quickly. And I think that's really important for people to understand and to know and to think about. Let's see another one here. Got Sanjit. He joined in last week. He made over $2,000 with ad revenue alone. Let's read the message he wrote in here. So he's a year into YouTube automation. He said, "Hey everyone, I'm Sanjit from India, and I'm super excited to be part of this awesome community. It has been an incredible journey for me in the world of YouTube automation. I started on this path about a year ago, putting my heart and soul into creating content that resonates with viewers. And you know what? My channel has been doing pretty well. Yeah, earning over $2,000 is definitely very nice. I can't wait to connect with fellow creators and learn from your experiences. Being a part of this group is an amazing opportunity for me to grow and expand my knowledge. I'm here with a strong desire to increase my earnings and take my channel to new heights. So let's make it work together." All right, and here we got a message that June shared that I really liked. I saw it in the group today. So he said something about freelancers, and I think this is a huge tip for everyone. I talked about this a lot in last calls already too. So he shared a quick tip for those following my journey. Don't get too attached to a freelancer in the beginning. I made this mistake many times. Hire slow and fire fast. If they can't deliver or they have excuses, cut them immediately. There's someone out there who can give you exactly what you need. Don't settle for anything less than what you want. I might not have a tremendous amount of success, but I have made countless mistakes on this YouTube automation journey, lol, so I know what not to do. And I always say this, like, these freelancers love to overpromise and underdeliver sometimes. So yeah, like he said, hire fast, or hire slow and fire fast when these people don't stick to their word or don't come back on their promises or don't deliver it on time, and just don't deliver what they promised they would deliver in terms of the quality too. Usually if you work through Upwork, you can put your money in escrow, and if you don't like what they are delivering, then you can just cancel or ask your money back and go to someone else. Here, Bobby asked something about the thumbnail and titles examples that work. So one thing that I would recommend anyone doing when they do YouTube automation is sign up for this newsletter which is all about thumbnails and titles. Go to their webpage and scroll through all the older posts they made, which is a free newsletter, by the way, too. This will give you valuable insights into thumbnail and title design. Also, check out their title brainstormer file. This is also in the Skool community. You can download it in there. So really quick to show what this newsletter is, guys. I think, Michael, you know it already. But so basically, this is it. It's a newsletter that every week covers like 6 videos. And they have a backlog of all their previous videos too. So what they do is they find like 5 or 6 videos every week that blew up and then one that didn't perform. And then they explain why it worked and why it did not work. And basically what happens is they give you frameworks for these titles that you can use. Basically, it's viral title frameworks that you can copy and paste into your own niche. So this one is, for example, here, 200 important English expressions, English vocabulary lessons. So you can mimic this title. It doesn't work always, depends on the niche that you are in and the topic that you are making. But so you can mimic the framework, 200 important, and then you have an entity and then the keyword. So just think about the keyword that is in your niche and then the entity as in, so what is this until the English expressions, for example. So maybe if you do something about motivation, you can put motivational expressions in there or quotes, for example. And then also they explain why it works. So here the list, so it's a listicle, so 200, right? A lot of YouTube automation videos are also listicles. Usually it's like top 10, top 7, top 20. Desire, the greater audience wants to learn English expressions, and this video helps them with that. So here we can do another one. Here it even says how you can use a framework. So tell your audience about a list of things they're hoping to learn. So look at what your niche is about and then what they should or want to learn about this niche. Here's another one. Can I 100% every Mario Kart game in 1 week? So this is like a challenge. Can I achieve X in 1 week? So again, think about your niche, what people want to achieve when they are when they are following your channel, and then how you can use this title to input a certain word or a goal that they want to achieve and put it in there. And then you see the thumbnails here, like how they structured the thumbnails, and then it's easy to mimic that thumbnail for your topic too, right? Isaac, I like that thumbnail. Yeah, this is a pretty cool thumbnail indeed. So like this style is very good, like the before and after, and then day 1, day 7. A lot of people use this thumbnail style actually, yeah. Let's see if there's another one we can do. Here, Silent But Deadly. How a silent album robbed Spotify of $20,000. So 2 weeks ago, 150,000 views. The framework is how a counterintuitive entity and then a negative action. So robbed is the negative action, and then the entity is the silent album on Spotify. So why does it work? It's curiosity provoking. A silent album is an oxymoron. The contrast and counterintuitiveness builds curiosity. And then also negativity is also on YouTube always very good because people love drama and love negative stuff and looking at that. Okay, how to sue. So it is one about suing. A suing trick, how to sue a zipper correctly without waves. So this is a super broad mass appeal topic that people will probably like. And then they say how to do this correctly, right? It's a pretty common thing that most people think they know how to do. And then they say like how to actually do it, basically. Yeah, so how to do it correctly without like the negative benefits of it. So you call out the problem and show it clearly in the thumbnail. Does a great job at grabbing the audience's interests. So sharing your regrets, the one regret from high school that I still think about all these years later. So share a regret from a time period that I still think about all these years. So it's negativity, curiosity, relatable. Everyone makes mistakes, right? Just like I made the mistake of booking the call at the wrong time today.